I can tell you that none of these competitors are happy to be in the chamber, but they all want to be here because the winner will be remembered forever.
Introducing the challenger from Allentown, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 217 pounds, Mike the Butcher.
The atmosphere inside the arena for this Elimination Chamber match is unlike anything I've seen in quite some time.
You're right, Michael. This atmosphere is unreal, but so are the dangers these superstars are about to be faced with. I assure you, this is no walk in the park.
Uh-oh, the field is starting to fill up inside the Elimination Chamber.
Gentlemen, I wouldn't wish the pain of this structure on my worst enemy. Trust me, I've seen a few of them in this match before.
Greatest of all time, John Cena, 16-time world champion.
There is always a special buzz in the air when John Cena enters the arena.
I believe the most polarizing superstar in WWE history. Hustle, loyalty, and
Fellas, I've been looking forward to this match for a while. Mostly because I'm outside the Elimination Chamber and not in it.
Elimination Chamber match coming up. And Corey, what should we be on the lookout for here in this one?
Well, to put it bluntly, somebody's going to get hurt here tonight. There is no way around it. That's just what happens when you agree to step foot inside the Elimination Chamber.
Six superstars, one goal: survive the chamber.
The very exclusive club of 22 Elimination Chamber winners will have another member after this match. But the 100-plus competitors who have fallen prey to this structure will grow far larger tonight.
Without question, one of the toughest and some would say cockiest individuals to ever compete here in WWE.
I think he just tossed that toothpick at you.
No, he missed.
Here we go, guys. The Elimination Chamber match we've all been waiting for.
And there's 6 ways this thing can go, which makes confidently picking a winner heading in nearly impossible. Time to get rid of all those nervous butterflies and focus on the task at hand.
One half of the tag team known as Authors of Pain.
Once upon a time led by the maniacal Paul Ellering, I think the Authors of Pain became more dangerous in his absence. Rezar uses his impressive mixed martial arts background to pummel opponents with scary power in the ring.
And remember, the luck of the draw is so important here in this Elimination Chamber.
That's right, Michael. Competing inside that structure is tough enough, but it becomes even more difficult when you're among the first 2 superstars to start the match. Here we go. It's almost time. There's only going to be one winner tonight, but my hat is off to every competitor brave enough to even consider entering the Elimination Chamber.
Byron, what's better than phenomenal?
What's that?
Well, whatever the answer is, AJ Styles going to have to be that to survive the Elimination Chamber.
Polite thesaurus. I actually agree with you.
Here we go, guys. Elimination Chamber match coming up.
And in a match like this, it's not just about who's the most dominant superstar, but the luck of the draw is also so incredibly important.
The only thing more intimidating than the structure itself is filling it with 5 hungry competitors all gunning for you. And we're underway with what will undoubtedly be an incredibly destructive Elimination Chamber match.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, it's hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
With AJ Styles in the ring, you know this match is going to be absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, the only thing I could possibly dislike about the match is that you're calling it with me.
Oh, what incredible power.
Wow, what a vertical suplex. Boom! Oh my goodness, crushing it. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Ah, backbreaker. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
falter. Well, he knew the champion wasn't going to go down easy here tonight.
Jumping knee right to the face!
Oh, man.
Guys, in a title match like this one, on a stage as big as the one we're on now, you have to wonder how much nerves will become a factor.
Boom, running STO plants him. Nicely done.
The challenger's starting to slow down a bit here.
He's going to have to find a way to fend off the champ here.
Hey, Cole, when was the last time you saw somebody win an Elimination Chamber match without getting a few bumps and bruises along the way? Never. That's when. So go easy on him, would you?
Circling back. Oh, man, incredible impact. Big slam. Belly to belly. Vicious. What a stomp. Good grief. And setting him up to the knee to the face. That's going to hurt. Nailed it.
If you ask me, fellas, this championship match is among the most highly anticipated that we've seen in quite some time.
Just breaking down the opponent.
Got the full Nelson.
Slam! AJ Styles beginning to peter out here.
This is not at all how the challenger drew this one up. Yeah, he's starting to look overmatched and maybe a little overwhelmed right now.
What a clothesline! Ouch!
Like you, Corey, I've had this championship match on my radar for quite some time, and so far, I think it's safe to say that it hasn't disappointed.
No, it definitely hasn't, Michael, which is saying something, considering fans' expectations heading into tonight. I can tell you that they saw this as a potential match of the year candidate, and so far, I think it's delivered.
Oh, nasty impact. Arm drag!
Very nice.
Jarring impact. Ooh! What a clothesline! Good grief. Beautiful technique.
Guys, a lot of people are predicting a new champion here.
Styles has him up. Ushigoroshi.
That could be a game changer. The pitfalls of gravity, Michael.
Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Boom! What impact!
Oh, and he connects.
There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Corey, I have to disagree with your earlier comment. I'm with the masses on this one. I think tonight is the night we crown a new champion.
Well, either way, guy.
Here we go. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one.
What a strike. Right on the mark. What a clothesline. Good grief.
Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
Oh, a shin breaker.
Try walking after that one.
You got to believe this one's over. The challenger looking absolutely exhausted in there.
Looks like he's starting to feel the pressure of competing in this championship match.
And things look bleak right now. Oof.
A lot of people are saying the champion has never looked better, but that doesn't mean we can't see an upset here tonight.
Oh, nice belly to back.
That could be a game changer.
Short clothesline.
Ooh, what impact. Point of the elbow, nailed it. Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
Harsh impact. No luck against Ramon there. As Byron was talking earlier about the champ being a heavy favorite here tonight, I couldn't help but think back to the night Santino.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Stiff headbutt.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Styles looks like he wants to do it all by himself.
Beautiful technique.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh wow.
Razor Ramon setting it up.
Are we gonna see it? Down. What a choke slam. That's how you put an extra. Oh boy, he is rolling. Wow, I thought he was a goner.
A bad place to be for the challenger. The champ clearly getting the best of him here.
Yeah, he's clearly not on the right side of this match right now, which is a little surprising to me.
A quick reversal by Razor Ramon. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, the reversal by AJ Styles. Oh, my goodness, this hurts. Oh, drop kick. Beautiful. What a stomp.
Good grief.
That's how you wear down. Oh,
Dragon Whip connects.
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old targeting. And that's elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation point, no less.
Too quick for him there. Oh, my God, a clothesline.
Stiff headbutt. Double axe handle smash.
He wants no part of the outside.
Harsh impact.
Looks like the champ is starting to crack. And you have to wonder how much more the champ has to give.
It's make or break time here, and he absolutely has to find a way to get back on the offensive if he wants to win this match. Drop kick hits the mark.
Ooh, what impact.
Oof. Goes down hard.
The challenger in some big trouble here. We may be looking at the beginning of the end here for the challenger.
Unless we witness some...
Next entrance getting ready to come out. Boom, what impact. Oh, he's able to reverse it. When this guy's on, look out.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
A quick reversal by Razor Ramon. Oh, and a low blow.
We don't need that.
Hooked up.
Delivering the shin breaker.
He knows he's in trouble.
Headbutt.
We're going to see it. Way up there.
Razor's edge.
He might have just ended this.
Hopefully John Cena can recover, effectively using the knee.
He's calling for it. Uh-oh. Bella Buster.
See ya. Don't be surprised if we crown a new champ here.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Nailed it. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Uh-oh, watch out.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
Setting up. Boom. And the slam. John Cena starting to show signs of fatigue. The challenger's hopes of becoming champion appear to be in serious jeopardy right now.
I love it. He's taking a beating, but refusing to stay down. Sometimes when you're in a match like an Elimination Chamber, that little extra adrenaline keeps you going.
But the question is, how much energy does his opponent have left? My guess is not much, given what we've seen him go through so far in this match.
Oh, nasty impact.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Boom. Wow. Elbow.
Ooh, what impact.
Ooh, just dropped.
Nailed it. You gotta believe this one's over. This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Only one place to go when you're stuck in the fireman's carry.
Yeah, down. And I can tell you it's not a pleasant trip. Beautiful technique.
A bit of a show of strength here.
Yeah, I don't care how strong you are. It's not easy to walk around.
Wow, what a choke slam.
Now that's how you successfully defend your title.
Razor Ramon just changed the momentum of this match.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, nasty impact. Oh!
Razors, bang!
Eliminated.
And there's his speed paying off.
Boom, what impact! Vertical suplex!
Nice.
John Cena's in quite a bind.
He's absolutely running on fumes right now.
He's clearly outmatched outside the ring, guys. If he's smart, he finds a way to keep the action within the ropes from here on out.
Clothesline!
Well, that'll leave a mark.
Ooh!
John Cena with a nice reversal. He wants no part of the outside.
Impactful slam! Headbutt to the back of the neck.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
What's coming next? Suplex.
John Cena plays mind games as good as anybody.
DDT! Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
The WWE Championship is on the line. Oh, what a slam.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
We know what's coming here.
One more look at it.
Rezar has been eliminated.
There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing. Harsh impact.
Look at this. This has been a war. Oh, the bad guy is just begging you to try and take him on so he can introduce you to the Razor's Edge.
Set him up. Look at the quickness by Cena. Oh.
He's too quick for him there. We're gonna see it. Way up there.
Razor's Edge. There's the elimination, Byron. That was amazing. I don't know if we'll ever see these same six superstars in the ring together again, but boy, I sure hope so. This is the Cena that's just about unstoppable.
What a stomp.
Good grief. Ooh, no luck against Ramon there.
Oh, he goes low. You're not cheating, you're not trying.
Punch right to the face.
How these Whoa!
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
He wants no part of the outside.
Look at this.
John Cena is measuring. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
DDT!
Oh, the bad guy is just begging you to try and take him on so he can introduce you to the Razor's Edge.
Uh-oh. The bad guy's setting up.
From way up high. Here we go. Razor's Edge.
That has got to be it. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
shoulder tackle. He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
Here we go. Razor Ramon is setting it up.
Yeah, if he hits this, the match is over.
Suplex. He's really taking over this match now. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
Ring rattling.
Harsh impact.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
He's looking shaky. This could be the end.
Down. What a choke slam.
Yes!
Unreal performance.
And here's another peek at the moves he saw in that match.
I don't like to throw around a lot of praise, but my eyes tell me that might have been one of the great matches in recent WWE history. I can watch highlights of that one all night long. One of the great WWE matches I've ever been able to watch.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, the bad guy, Ramon.
What a grueling match. It looked like anybody's match there toward the end.
That's a statement win, Michael. That's a win that says, hey, everybody, look at me.
And I'd say that match certainly lived up to SummerSlam's historic and prestigious past.